What's up, y'all? It's your boy G in Hawaii Kai at a vacation rental. This one is a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. It's a beachfront property. Not exactly beachfront, but it's facing the marina. So it's a waterfront. And I've got 3 people on this job today. And doesn't look too bad. So hopefully it'll be maybe 4 or 5 hours. I'm not exactly sure. This particular homeowner has us over once a month. So they usually have their tenants in and they stay 1 month, and then we'll get a couple days to come and clean up and then rinse and repeat. All right, so let you guys know how it's going. Aloha.
All right, you guys, here comes the tour. There's the first living space, and this is the kitchen here. And there's a little dining room area. When we come around the corner, and we have the actual living space. This is the first bedroom downstairs. Got a couple cribs there for babies. And there's your first bathroom. Come around the corner, we've got a bathroom there, another bedroom, 3rd bedroom with twin beds, 4th bedroom. There's also an additional smaller half bath downstairs. We just missed that. And there's a 5th bedroom, which has the king size bed, the last bathroom, and here is the last room, which they use as an office space.
So at this property, we have some extra assignments. In particular, we got to clean out this hot tub. So got this one right here. Doesn't look dirty, but what we got to do is drain it out, clean it, and then put the water back in. That's extra income opportunity.
Okay, you unplug the unit so that you don't electrocute yourself. Then you plug the hose into the valve stem to release the water. Put the other end of the hose towards the ocean. Then you click the lever to release the water. Once it drains almost out, it'll be out about maybe 80-90%. You can go ahead and wipe down the sides of the hot tub. Then you use a skimmer to skim all of the leftover grass and what have you that's in the water. You fill it back up. And you fill it to the level slightly beyond the jets. And since this is a vacation rental, we also offer laundry services for these guys.
Guys, what the hell is that?
Ha, that's my ignorance showing. That is a urinal, and they're common among Asian households, and the owner of this home is definitely Asian. But it'll throw you off if you have never seen one before. And although we are a cleaning company, these guys have us do small maintenance jobs such as reprogram the garage remote, fix their faucet, toilet, shower, and we do charge them extra for that, but I won't show it here in this graphic. That's for another time. All right, guys, be blessed, and I'll holler at you later.